Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cook with Sri. Today we are going to make choco dates with almond. The ingredients needed are dark chocolates 100 gram, deseeded dates 8 to 10 and almonds 8 to 10. Take almond and put inside the deseeded date. Repeat the same process for rest of the dates. Now turn on the gas stove and keep a vessel on it. Pour 2 to 3 glasses of water and let it come to a boil. Keep another vessel on it and put the dark chocolates into it. Let it melt. Once the chocolate gets melt, turn off the stove. Dip the almond stuffed dates in the melted chocolate one by one and keep it aside. Now refrigerate these dates for 15 to 20 minutes. Your choco dates with almond is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.